In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Threads. So let's jump straight into it. Now with Threads, if you actually try and come into the app and change it on Threads, it's not going to work. So if I come into Threads and I go to my profile, what I'm going to do is press onto edit profile. You'll see if I try and change my name, there's a little padlock next to it. It says your name and username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. So in order to do this, what you're going to have to do is actually open up your Instagram app and change your name on Instagram. So in order to do this, you want to come down to the bottom right hand corner, press onto your profile icon, click onto the edit profile box, and then what you can do is change your name here. So I'm going to change it from this to test, and then press the tick button in the top right hand corner. Press the tick button again in the top right hand corner to confirm changes. And that's going to go ahead and change that to test. So you'll see now if I actually come back and open up Threads and I come to my profile in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see my name has now changed to test. So in order to change your name, you have to do it through Instagram, as Threads is synced to Instagram. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.